What's up everyone? So today I'm gonna be opening this elite basketball box. The setup of it is 20 packs and 5 cards per pack, and we can find 2 autographs in this hobby box, so that's great. You can also look for iconic status and aspirations parallels and ultra rare passing the torch signatures. So let's go into this and open the box first. There it is. We have the box opened and we have 20 packs to go through, guys. This is amazing. We can take them out right here. Let's start opening these packs, guys. So let's go with the first one. I'm gonna be safe and use scissors as always. I'm gonna rip this pack and we're gonna see what we can get in our first pack. So there it is, Tim Hardaway Jr. from Dallas Mavericks. Next we have Kevin Knox 2 from New York Knicks. And then we have Primally Colors, some special insert, Russell Westbrook from Rockets. Alright, it doesn't look like that it's numbered, so let's go with the next card. Oh boys, there's Nikola Jokic. Yep, and the Westbrook card is not numbered. You know, I think I'm gonna raise this a bit. Yeah, this is gonna be maybe better. And we got Nikola Jokic, and the last card is Montreal Herro from Clippers. So none of these is numbered. Remember guys, we're looking for 2 signatures. Hopefully we can hit something decent. I'm not even asking for big card, but like decent, please. All right, there you go. First card is Colin Sexton. All right, from Cavaliers. Next base card is Robert Covington from Rockets. Now pen pals, guys, and I think you can already see the here, which is Brandon Clark, guys. Is it gonna be signature? It must be signature. It's a pen pals. Yep, guys, there it is. Out of 99, as you can see, 36th card, Brandon Clark, pen pal. I think that's very good pull. Rookie card, pen pal. Let's go. We're gonna sleeve this bad boy right here and put them in front. This is our best pull so far. And next we have Bradley Beal. Not numbered, just basic card. And Drew Holiday, also basic card. Alright, so we have our first pull, pretty good one. Let's keep going now from this side. There it is. I'm gonna cut this and let's see what the future is holding for us in these packs. Right, De'Aaron Fox from Kings, basic card. Brian Forbes from Spurs. Marvin Bagley 3, third or free, I don't know, from the Kings. And then like I think this is just another base card. Wendell Carter Jr. and Damian Lillard. The whole pack was just basic cards. Wow. Let's go. But remember, there's 20 packs, so not expect every pack with something good, right? That's normal. Okay. Let's go. What we have next. And we have CJ McCollum from Portland. Marcus Morris from Clippers. And we have Luka. Yo. This is pretty nice card. Luka Doncic. Interesting. I don't think it's numbered. Let's check the back. Nope, it's not numbered. It's just normal card. Really nice. I like Luka Doncic a lot. Unfortunately, it's not numbered. Dennis Schroeder and Goran Dragic, the finalist of this year. No, I'm gonna pick from this side. Let's keep going, guys. What we can find. We still have one more signature guaranteed. And in this pack, first card is Ricky Rubio. Bang. Eric Bledsoe. Okay. Oh, numbered card. Goga Bitadze. Out of 299 rookie card. Our second numbered card. Alright. Devin Booker. And Dylan Brooks from Grizzlies. Let's go with this pack now. Open it up. Let's see what we can find in here. Alright. Jabari Parker. I'm getting a lot of Kings players, I noticed. Rudy Gobert. French. And another numbered card. Oh, baby. Out of 99. Out of 99. It's right here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, guys. I think you can. Taco Fall. 95 out of 99. Another rookie. We're gonna keep this big boy for some time. Okay, guys, let's go. Next is Spencer Dinwiddie. Alright. And Jamal. Which pack we going for? Maybe this one. So far we have three pretty nice cards. And we will see what we can get here. And we have Jaylen Brown, Andre Drummond, another numbered card, Montrezl Harrell, out of 95. And guess what? We have Luka. I wish it was numbered. No, just basic. Okay, and Devonte Graham. Nice. Let's go with this pack right now. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Okay. There you go. Oh, there's something. There's probably another signature, guys. Louis Williams. Laurie Markkanen. Okay, this is big. Let's go. Oh, Boban. Guys, Boban Marjanovic. We have auto of him. Out of 60. Out of 60, guys. Boban. Return of Sun is actually very nice card. I don't know. It's probably not the big hit at all, but you know, since I am from Europe and he is, I really like this card. Boban gonna go here. Okay, what we have left here? Russell Westbrook and Jason Tatum. There he is. Alright, so we don't have any more autos unless we're gonna get surprised and they put one for free. We will see. We still can get something cool. So let's go for that. Stephen Curry. Nice. Hey, there he is. LeBron James. Oh, what is that? Court Vision. Nikola Jokic. Nice card. Not numbered though, but really nice card. Luke Kennard. Alright. And Donovan Mitchell. Okay. Let's see what we can get next. Elite, guys. This is elite. Come on. Let's get some elite cards. Oh boy, there he is. A little bit story about me, guys. I am exactly from where is Jonas Valančiūnas, guys. Yes, this is how you spell his name, Jonas Valančiūnas. He's from Lithuania and I'm from Lithuania. I just live right now in the United States. I like this big boy. Carmelo. Boom. And John Wall. This is not special card, right? The next one is... And that's... not a special card. That's weird. So this pack didn't have a special card. Alright, and Jimmy Butler. Here he is. Another finalist. Alright, okay, we still have a lot packs. We still might hit something big. We didn't see big rookies of this year. Where's Zion? Where's Ja? Where's Tyler Herro? Come on. We're looking for those. Nope. Will Barton. Oh my gosh. MVP, guys. Spellbound. Alright. I guess I'll take the MVP. Boom. Alright. What we have here? Pascal Siakam. Alright. He's a good one. And Tristan Thompson. Let's go. Okay. Come on. We want more numbered cards. At least two. Come on. At least two. Two more numbered cards. What is going on? Miles Bridges. Oh, there he is. Kevin Durant. The big names. We're pulling the big names. But not a big rookies though. Star status. CJ McCollum. Okay. Kemba Walker. And Lonzo Ball. Wow. Wow. And no number cards. What is going on? Is this gonna be it? Is this only this 5 cards gonna be good? I don't know. Okay, Bojan Bogdanovic. Alright. That guy from Europe. Kyle Lowry. Oh, there you go. We have one number card. And that's not a rookie. Miles Bridges out of 99. And this one is number 80. Alright, Chris Middleton. And Davis Bertans. That's a Latvian, guys. That's my neighbor. That's my neighbor from another Baltic country. Let's go. Alright. Let's see. There's still few packs left. Oh, there he is. Another star. Chris Paul. And Kyrie Irving. Wow. And we have Harden. Wow, what a pack. This is pretty amazing. And Derrick Rose. What is this? All the big stars in one pack. That's pretty cool. Alright. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbered cards. Do you think we're gonna get 8 in total? I don't know. We should. Come on, you guys. Where is Zion? Where is Ja? Kevin Love, Antetokounmpo. Okay. What is this? Kyle Guy. Rookie. Okay. Oh, boys! Vince Carter, the legend. And Fournier. Vince Carter, is he still playing? Are you kidding me? Wow, that is cool. Okay. 5 more packs. Can we turn things around and get something crazy? Something big. Christian Wood. Fred VanVleet. Okay. Joe Embiid. Wait, there was only 4 cards? Wow. Trae Young. But like, really? 4 cards? That's interesting. Okay, what are we gonna have next? Dun dun dun. Zach LaVine. Paul George. Oh! Another LeBron James card. Court Vision. Okay. Danilo Gallinari and Bam Adebayo. He's doing pretty good. Only 2 packs left. No, 3 packs left. So will we get? That's a big question. Will we get 2 more numbered cards? JJ Redick, Eric Gordon, and there it is. There's a numbered card. Out of 49, Karl Anthony Towns. Alright, not special for sure. I don't know where we're gonna put him. Probably here. And Draymond Green. And there it is, Kawhi. We got Kawhi basic card, of course. And 2 more packs left. So in theory, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In theory, we should get 1 more numbered card. And we'll see. We will see, guys. So we have Terry Rozier, Ben Simmons. Oh, we got rookie. Okay, we have Jackson Hayes from Pelicans out of 49. Oh no, why it's not Zion? Come on, same team. So told you guys it's gonna be 8 numbered cards. I'll take him for sure. There. He's numbered. Rookie. That's good. And what we left? Blake Griffin and Jaren Jackson Jr. Okay. the last pack. And that's gonna be probably just simple pack with nothing special in it. And we have Nikola Vucevic, D'Angelo Russell, Cody Martin, and numbered. Another rookie. Wow, I didn't expect that. Pretty high numbers, but that's okay. And Brandon Ingram and James Harden. There it is. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video.